today's today's chapter is cube and cube roots. So first of all, what is cube? Cube is the multiple of a number, or we can say cube is a number multiply itself three times, or number raised to the power 3. So you can see a number multiply three times. A multiply A multiply A. A number multiply three times is called cube, or we can write a number raised to power it's 3, because A is multiplied three times, so we can write A raised to power 3. So here I have written some cubes. So you can see one cube means 1 multiplied 3 times, so it is 1. 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 raised to power 3, same way 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. So here on you can see all the cubes of natural numbers are given here up to 14. So by this method you can find out cubes of other numbers. By multiplying that particular number itself three times, you will get the cube of that given number. So here are some properties of cubes. So here we have first property: cube of an odd number is always a odd number. Cube of an odd number is always a odd number. So we will define it, we will prove it how it is. So here I have written some cubes of given number. So a cube of 1 is a odd number. If you multiply 1 3 times, you will get 1, which is a odd number. 2 is a even number, its cube 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8, which is a even number. Means even numbers cube is always even. Odd 3 is a odd number. If you multiply 3 times, it will becomes 27. So you can see odd number 3 was odd number, 3 is a odd number, and its cube is also odd number. Same way you can see here 5 is a odd number, its cube is also odd. 6 is a even number, its cube is even. So this was the first property: cube of an odd number is equal to odd number. Next is cube of an even number, which is always even number. So that also we have seen already. 2 is a even number, so the cube of 2 is equal to 8, which is a even number. Now cube of a negative number is always a negative number. So now you can see we will have one example: -2, its cube. We will do so. -2 multiply 3 times. -2 I am multiplying 3 times. So -2 into -2 you will get 4, then -2. Minus plus 4 multiplied by -2 you will get -8. So this is, and the last property: if A over B is a rational number, A over B is a rational number, and B is not equals to 0. In that case, if we will do the cube of this rational number A over B, so this cube will distribute over A and B both. So we can write this A over B whole cube, A cube over B cube. So these are the properties which are related to the cube and cube roots. Now dear students, we will see some properties related to the cube roots. So first of all, what is the symbol of a cube root? Symbol of cube root is same like the square root. Same way you have to put, this is the symbol. But what is the difference between cube root and square root? In square root there is written nothing, but here in cube root we need to write one small 3. So here inside this we will write one small 3. So it will becomes a cube root. Now cube root of a negative number is always negative. So how to see? Let's see. We are going to find out cube root, because we are finding cube root. So under this, between this b, we will write a small 3 and minus a cube. So we need to find out this. Cube root is always having power 1 over 2. Cube root means power of the given number 1 over 2. We can write here minus a cube its whole power 1 over 3, because if you are going to remove this cube root, we need to put here 1 over 3 power. So you know that power to the power will multiply a minus a cube multiplied by 1 over 3, this cancel, you will get minus a power 1, which is minus a. So here we prove that the cube of a negative number is negative. Next, if a and b are whole number, then if you are going to find out the cube root of two whole numbers, so we can write this in as a product. Cube root of a multiply cube root of b. Same thing in divide. If a and b are whole number, b is not equal to 0 and a over b is a rational number, and we have to find out the cube root of rational number a over b. So we can write it cube root of a divided by cube root of b. These are the some properties. Before I taught about properties of cube, now these are the properties of cube roots. After this we will solve some questions related to cube and cube roots. Some questions I have written on the board where we have to find out the cubes of the following. So how to find out the cube of 8? We will write cube of 8, that we can write 8 into 8, we will multiply 64 multiply by 8, and you know that cube of 8, I told you before, cube of 8, 8 into 8, 64 into 8, 8 for the 32, 8 6 is 48 plus 3, 51. Same way here, minus 15, its cube. How to find minus 15 multiply 3 times? Minus multiply minus plus 2 double 5 multiply by minus 15, and then 15 multiply by 2 double 5, which will gives you cube of 15 minus 3375. Sorry, I think it will comes 55 75 15 and so on this, because minus multiply plus it will give you negative. Now we will have another cube of a rational number which is a negative, either minus 7 over 9, its cube. So minus 7 over 9 multiply minus 7 over 9 multiply minus 7 over 9. So 7 cube of 7, because all are negative, so it will come minus, and cube of 7 you know 3 4 3, and cube of 9 which is 7 2 9. Now this is second part. First of all, you can convert into the mixed fraction. 5 into 5, 8 over 5, its cube you can do 8 over 5 into 8 over 5 into 8 over 5. So 8 multiplied 3 times means the cube of 8, which will be 512, and cube of 5 125. This is how to find out cube of a given number. Now dear students, cube root by prime factorization method. How to find cube root of a number by prime factorization method. For we are having two questions. Factors of these two questions, assuming that you know how to find out the factors. So here I have done factors of this. So let's see how to do it. First of all, we'll keep this number under the cube root, and then we will write down, in place of this number we will write these factors. Cube root, now 1 2 3 2 2, here cube root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 into 3, 1 more 3. So actually in cube root what happens? Usually in square root what we are doing, we are making pairs of 2. Pair means 2. But here we will group in 3, like this, this and this. From each group you will take one outside, 2. From this 1 3. From this 1 more 3. So 9 to the 18. So this given number is the cube of 19. Next, sorry, 18. Very sorry, 18 it is not of 19. Now next what we will do, this cube root here it is given cube of whole rational number. So what we can do, this cube root we can divide over numerator and denominator. Minus 2744 over cube root of 4096. Same thing what we did in the next previous question. We'll write down the factors. So first of all I will write down the factors of this numerator. So this is minus. You know that the cube root of a negative number is always minus. Negative minus you can take outside. Cube, inside you can write down the factors. 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7, and denominator also same. Cube root, sign of cube root, write down the factor. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 are there, so I will write down 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3, and then this 3. So these are 12. Here we will make pairs in numerator and denominator, make pairs here outside. Sorry, pairs groups, and group it down, group of 3. So here you will get minus, from this you will get 1 2, from this another group 1 7, and denominator from here 1 2, from this 1 2, from this one 1 2, from this one. So you will get minus 14 over 60. So this is the cube root of minus 14 over 60. So dear student, thanks for watching this video. Next video we will do some more question related to the cube and cube roots.